What's going on, everybody? I haven't really been uploading because I've been busy with work, and so I want to make another bike check video on my Colt Too Short build, as you can see. So let's get started. Starting off, I got Colt AK grips, and I got Colt bar ends. For the bars, I got Colt AK bars, 10-inch rise. They're cut down to, I think, 27.5 wide. My stem, I got a Fiend Garrett Reynolds stem, the version 3. My headset, I got a Fiend headset. Forks, I got the Fiend process forks. And then the front wheel, I got a Colt Crew complete wheel with guards. And then for the pegs, I got Cinema Dakota Roche pegs, 4.75 front and back. And the tires, I got a Cinema Nathan Williams tire, 2.5. I haven't ridden this much big tire in a long time. And then the frame, I got a Colt Too Short frame, 21-inch top tube, has a 12.8 rear end. And then I got a BSD seat with the BSD seat post. Coming down to the cranks, I got Primo Stevie Churchill cranks. Pedals, I got Primo turbo pedals. My sprocket, I got a Colt DAC sprocket 28 tooth. And my chain is a Shadow Conspiracy Interlock Supreme chain. I've had most of these parts I've had for about a year. Just a couple different new ones. And then in the rear, I got a Colt Crew Free Coaster complete wheel, left-hand drive. Comes with the hub guard. And then on the drive side, I got an E-Claw 4140 chromoly hub guard. And then in the pegs, I got the same ones as in the front, Cinema Dakota Roche pegs, 4.75. And then the tire, I got a Cinema Nathan Williams tire, size 2.5. So far, the bike's been like this for like the past year, and it's pretty good, runs good. I like how the all black parts with raw, it's pretty good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. And I'll be inserting some riding clips. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next one. Peace.